喺中大醫學院，醫學教育正迎來嶄新篇章。
以前上解剖堂嘅時候，淨係上堂嗰陣時先可以睇到啲細節。而家企喺呢張台面前，可以任何時候都咁細緻咁樣睇清楚身體嘅結構。
Once you have put on the VR headset, the entire experience feels incredibly immersive, and learning becomes so much more engaging and fun.
In the past, revising required a lot of time just to understand each concept. Now with these flashcards, complex ideas are turned into vivid cartoons. You can grasp everything in just one glance. Studying has never been so clear and simple.
The advancement of AI in the education sector has been transformative. As medical educators, we are constantly looking for its potential to help us to accomplish more with less for our medical students. We've been exploring and implementing AI models to support personalized learning in our medical curriculum.
作為中文大學醫學院嘅成員啦，我認為引入一個人工智能咧，係同呢個國際教育接軌一個必然嘅步驟嚟嘅。咁中大醫學院啦，已經成為呢個全球頂尖嘅醫學院㗎啦。咁我哋希望學生喺學習嘅過程之中咧，都能夠接觸到最嶄新嘅學習模式。
面對緊成長喺數位年代嘅Z世代嘅學生咧，其實 AI 咧可以幫助咗佢哋，可以提供更快速、更個人化、更互動嘅學習嘅支援，等佢哋喺又安全又貼近臨床嘅情景裏面練習，提升到佢哋學習嘅效率。